Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable the Testigators, the Honorable Mendida as my first advisor lecturer, the Honorable Miss Dia as my second advisor lecturer. Introduce my name is Abshir Niarigayo. I want to present my research proposal titled Factors Affecting Credit Distribution in Commercial Banks in Indonesia. Research background. Financial institutions greatly influence the development of the economy in Indonesia today. One of the ways to improve the economic development in Indonesia is through financial institutions, namely banking. The role of banking in Indonesia is a financial institution that supports to improve the community's economy both in collecting, distributing, and managing public funds. Bank is a business entity that has the main activity, namely accepting deposits from the public or from other parties, which later on these deposits will be reallocated to earn profits and provide various services in payment traffic. The advantage of lending is that the bank will receive a surge of income in the form of interest income. In January 2020, bank credit experienced a slowdown. Based on a report from Bank Indonesia, credit distribution throughout January was recorded at 500, 5,514 trillion, or grew 5.7%, lower than the previous month at 5.9%. The slowdown in lending was influenced by corporate and individual debtors. Corporate loans also grew at a slower pace of 5.2% compared to 5.9% in the previous month. Meanwhile, individual loans suffered the same fate as corporate loans, which grew at a slower rate of 6.6%. On the other hand, growth in working capital loans and consumption loans experienced an increase of 3.0% from the previous month of 2.2%. Next, research question. There's a first research question is, does third-party funds or DPK affect credit distribution? Number 2, does non-performing loan affect credit distribution? Number 3, does the capital adequacy ratio affect credit distribution? Number 4, does efficiency affect credit distribution? Next, research purposes. First, for knowing influence third-party funds to distribution credit. 2, for knowing influence non-performing loan to distribution credit. Third, for knowing influence capital adequacy ratio to distribution credit. 4, for knowing influence efficiency to distribution credit. Next, benefits of research. Theoretical benefits can show the influence of third-party funds on performing loans, capital adequacy ratio, and efficiency on credit distribution. Second, practical benefits. The first, for Bank Indonesia and banking as a regulator. Second, for third-party creditor. Next, literature review. Theory, management, liquidity. Liquidity management theory, which include commercial loan theory, stability theory, anticipated income theory, and liability management theory. Commercial loan theory of bank in disbursing credit is short-term credit. This is included so that the credit is self-liquidated and minimizes the bank's risks, the bank rise of non-performing loans. Stability theory, a bank can transfer its assets to another person or entity at a predictable price so that at any time the bank needs funds for both credit distribution and withdrawal of bank customer funds. It can be immediately disbursed. Anticipated income theory, credit distribution has its own risk, or there are no self-liquidating loans. This shows that banks can channel loans both short and long term, while still considering non-performing loans. The liability management theory is an effort by banks to provide liquidity in the form of liabilities. Next, the definition of bank. Bank is a business company which collect funds from public in form stash and allocated it to public in form of credit and or from other in which is aims to raise people's standard of living. The type of bank are first commercial banks and second people's credit bank. The, the next function of bank: first collector fund, second distributor fund, and the third bank service. Next, credit. The definition of credit: credit is a preparation money or privilege equated with debt, based on agreement or loan agreement among banks with party others who oblige a party borrower for payoff the debt after period time contained with bank interest. Next, the element of credits. First, trust, agreement, period time, risk, and reply service. Next, purpose of credit. Uh, the purpose of credit can increase the usability of money. Credit could increase circulation and then cost money. Credit can increase the usability of goods and circulation of goods. And last, credit as a tool in stability of economy. Distribution credit as Y. The definition distribution credit is among the funds that distributed by bank to public with aim so that public could increase level his life. The measurement of distribution credit is amount credit which distributed. Next, third-party funds as X1. The definition third-party funds is unrestricted saving or investment fund as trusted by customer to Syariah banks and or Syariah business unit based on wadi'ah or mudarabah contracts that do not conflict with Syariah principle in the form of demand deposits, certificates of deposit, saving, and or other equivalent forms. The measurement third-party funds are first, current account plus saving plus deposit. Second, third-party funds per total obligation X 100%. Next, non-performing loan as X2. The definition of non-performing loan is non-performing loan is shown the collectibility of a bank in collecting bank the credit issued by the bank until it is paid off. NPL is the percentage of the number of non-performing loans with the criteria of substandard, full, and loss to the total loans issued by bank. The measurement of performing loan is credit not fallen per total credit X 100%. Next, capital adequacy ratio as X3. The definition of capital adequacy ratio is capital adequacy ratio is a ratio that shows how big the total assets in a bank that contain risks that will participate to be financed from their own capital in addition to obtaining funds from sources outside the bank. The measurement of capital adequacy ratio is capital per asset weight according to risks X 100%. Next, BOPO as efficiency of bank as X4. Definition of BOPO is operational expense to operational income is a ratio that shows the level of efficiency of the bank in carrying out its operational activities. The measurement of BOPO is operational expense per operational income x 100%. This is the previous research. This is my hypothesis method. Hypothesis first. The first hypothesis is third-party funds have a positive effect to distribution credit. Hypothesis 2, non-performing loan have a negative effect to distribution credit. The third hypothesis, capital adequacy ratio have a positive effect to distribution credit. Fourth hypothesis, efficiency as BOPO have a negative effect to distribution credit. Next, methodology of research. Unit analysis in this research is the unit of analysis in this study is a banking company that has been listed on the Indonesian Stock Exchange. The population of this study are commercial bank that have go public in Indonesia in the period to 2018 until 2020, totaling 42 banking companies. In this study, there were 41 banking companies and used purposive sampling. Variable operation in this research is distribution credit is Y. Distribution credit is amount credit which distributed. Third-party funds as X1 is current account plus savings plus deposits. Non-performing loan as X2 is taken from the banking NPL annual reports. Capital adequacy ratio as X3 in this research is taken from the banking CAR annual report. The last BOPO as X4 in this research is taken from the banking BOPO annual report too. Next, the analysis technique. First, descriptive statistic test, and then panel data regression analysis by 3 types: visual regression approach, fixed effect approach, random effect approach. And the next, hypothesis testing. There's 3 tests. First, t-test, and then f-test, and then coefficient of determination analysis. And the last, classic assumption test. There is 4 tests. First, normality test, multicollinearity test, autocorrelation test, and then heteroscedasticity test. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.